Hey class, good morning. So we will start immediately. So today we will be learning about the operations involving polynomials. Yesterday, we finished the activity and the lessons about multiplication of polynomials, right? Wherein we multiply expressions to other expressions and exponents to other exponents. So as we go now today with the next lesson, we will review first the laws of exponents that we have discussed on the first day of our class last Monday. So, ito po yung lesson natin last Monday. As you could still remember, kapag nagdi-divide po tayo ng exponents, for example, we have m raised to the power of 5, then m raised to 2 or squared. Pag i-divide po natin siya, ganito po mangyayari. Itong m or the variable m will stay as it is, then isa-subtract po natin yung exponents. So we now have m5 minus 2 that is cube. And this is now the answer when we divide m raised to the power of 5 and m raised to the power of 2. Next, another example for that. So we have, what if lagyan natin siya ng variable? Example ay ng number. For example, 25x raised to the power of 7, then 5x raised to the power of 3. What if ganyan yung mangyayari? So ganito po, i-divide mo na ang number. 25 divided by 5, of course, that is equal to 5. Then yung x7 at saka x cube, copy si x, then 7 minus 3, dito po. So we now have 5x raised to 7 minus 3, that is 4. So 5x raised to the power of 4 is the answer. Ganyan lang po siya. So easy lang ba, class?
Papa.
Mahirap daw, sabi ni Ma'am Lim. So, let's have this another example. What if naman, kanina po, x5, x squared. Dito po si numerator, ito po si denominator. Look at this one. Si 5 mas malaki kay 2. Tama? So, what if baliktarin natin like this? X raised to the power of 2, then x raised to the power of 5. Ano ang sagot niya ngayon? Kapag ganito naman po ang case, baliktad naman po sila, mas malaki ang sa baba, sa numerator maliit. So, ano ito po mangyayari? 2 minus 5. So, that is 2 minus 5. Kung meron kang dos na binayad, pero may utang ka na negative or na utang ka na 5, ilan na lang yung utang mo? 3, di ba? So, since utang siya, negative 3. So, that is now the answer, x raised to the power of negative 3. So, tandaan nyo, kapag numerator mas malaki, tulad nito, 5/2, positive ang exponent. Pero pag baliktad naman po, maliit ang denominator, ang numerator, tapos malaki ang denominator, negative naman po ang exponent. Okay, let's have the activity for the game number 1. Our game number 1 will be about the open the box surprise. In this activity, there are 5 boxes to open. And as you open that one, there are 3 options to select. So choose only the best answer among the 3 options. So this is recorded and name it as quiz number 11. Pag natapos po kayo, you submit your scores immediately in our page. So only 7 minutes for this. So I'll be sending the link for a while. Okay, please open the link which is recorded, quiz number 11. Time starts now for the 7 minutes. Four points po ang correct answer. 2 points naman po ang mali. If there is a problem, don't hesitate to comment down or chat the problem that you are encountering. I'm talking. I'm so sleepy. Ay, bigla. Oo, butang sa box. No, ay kung ay katong check. Check na. Okay, to those who came in late, please click the link for our pin number 1. Was an answer. Sila
Isa nagdula.
mga estudyante. Isend na ko link
Tapos makita nga naman yung scores.
kung i-register nila. Tapos kung nila i-register, lang pangalan din kita. Kung ano yung anesthesia.
Honesty.
Mali ang answer. Okay, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. May pag-isahan na lang mo ka-section. No?
Ay, isa lang ko mag-laki doon. Ngayon lang.
Sige, hangga sa tag-giving na.
Wala lang ako dito sa doon.
Sayo kayo oras.
Ulit pa din yung susunod.
Ako lang hindi ko makakompleto klase sa Katiter o Yabo. Pero makabot yung 16-18, makabot sa 7 yung mga susitaw nung integrasyon.
Pero nakipag AGS.
Kada nabi mga sorry sir, okay po. Sorry po. Okay, how was your scores? Anyone who are finished? Please tell me your scores. Again, 4 points for the correct one, 2 points for the incorrect. 5 from Zid. Wow, kabilis mo magpinataka, Zid, ah. Kabilis-bilis mo. Well, anyway, if that is 5 points or 5 correct answers. Again, 4 points ang correct, 2 points ang mali. $14 from John, Sander, Pearl. John Sander, kung maalala mo, may ano yung mali mo? Para ba natin? Sige, reveal ko mga questions. So, 14 from Zid. Okay, Zid, that is very good. And the rest, so, tulad nito, look at the example. We have 18 over 162. So in this case, it's just lowest term. Ilang 18 meron sa 18? Isa po. Ilang 18 meron sa 162? That is 9. So that is 1 over 9. Lowest term lang po tawag nito. Or simple division. Okay, next. Tingnan natin yung number 2 naman. In number 2, we have s squared r cubed q raised to the power of 5 divided by s cubed r 5 q raised to the power of 1. S squared, so i-minus lang po natin. So that is, kapag ganyan po ang case, sino mas malaki, si 2 or si 3? Si 3 po. So dito siya sa baba. Next, r cube, sino mas malaki? Si r cube or si r cube? R cube po ang malaki. So dito siya sa baba. Tapos lagyan ng 2. Paano nakuha? Si 2. 5 minus 3, magiging 2. Q fifth minus 1, sino mas malaki? Si 5 or si 1? Of course, si 5. So dito si 5, si Q sa taas. 5 minus 1 is 4. Q4, ang tamang sagot over SR squared. So we have this. So this is the correct answer. Okay, next, number 3. 25m squared, m7, and divided by m raised to the power of 7 divided by 5m raised to the power of 4. 25 divided by 5, of course, that is 5, and 7 minus 4, that is 3. So 5m cubed is the answer. Okay, yun lang po. Then we'll proceed now with our lesson. Our lesson is almost related to what is presented in the activity. And it is now we are now on dividing polynomials. So, ano po itong dividing polynomials? So, the first part is polynomial by a monomial. Divide daw natin yung isang term papunta sa maraming term. Can we look at this example? We have 12x raised to the power of 4 minus 16x raised to the power of 3 plus 8x squared divided by 4x squared. So, napakamaliit po ng aking whiteboard. So, just focus on this. So, ito po ang unang gagawin. Yung number, i-divide kay number. 12 divided by 4. Ilan po? That is, of course, 3. Next, yung x fourth and x squared, pareho sila ng base na x. So, kopyahin ang x. Tapos, si 4 minus 2, magiging 2 na siya. Again, 4 minus 2. Take note, kapag nagmumultiply kayo ng polynomials, i-add ang exponent. Pero pag nagdi-divide na kayo, isa-subtract na po natin. Yun yung po difference ng dalawa. So, 4 minus 2, that is 2. Tama? Next, 16 divided by 4. That is 4. Take note, kapag nag-divide ka ng dalawang positive, ang sagot, positive. Or nag-divide ka ng dalawang negative, ang sagot, positive. In other words, kapag pareho ang sign, pag nag-divide ka ng pareho ng sign, ang sagot laging positive. Pag magkaiba naman, ang sagot laging negative. Ano yung magkaiba? Like plus divided by minus or minus divided by plus. And the answer here is always negative. In this case, 16 is a negative number, while 4 is positive. They are not the same in their signs. Negative, positive. Therefore, negative ang sagot dyan. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Next, x and x. Our base here is x. Then 3 minus 2, that is invisible 1. So, pwede nang burahin kasi nga invisible 1 siya. Next, 8 divided by 4, that is 2. X squared, x squared. So, the variable is x or the base is x. 2 minus 2, that is 0. Kapag 0 po ang case, hindi na po natin yan siya isusulat. Kasi nga po, 0 naman siya. So, ang nilalagay na natin, 2 for our answer. So, the answer here is 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. Now, if you want a very detailed answer, kindly look at this PowerPoint presentation on the side. So, dito po sa kanya, divide niya talaga ng very detailed. Look at this one. 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Then, subtract niyo yung 4 at saka 2, as you could see. So, allow me to use a pointer on this. So, ito po tayo. So, tingnan nyo. Give 4 minus 2 niyan. Very detailed. What about this one? 16 divided by 4. Ito yung sagot. 4. Tapos yung cube. At saka itong 2, gisubtract niya. Ito na po yun. Next, itong x squared naman at saka 4 squared. Then, 8 divided by 4, that is 2 of course. Then, gisubtract niya yung 2 at saka yung 2 dito. Magiging 0 na siya pagdating dito. And any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Yan yung tandaan nyo. Next, 1 times 2, 2 ang sagot. So, we have this final answer. We have. Okay, please Copy. You may copy the complete solution or you may copy the shortcut. Then type done if you're done.
Done.
Done. Dengguin direct malaria. Problema po pagpanel ko mo electric fan bukad tanan. Ay sa sahod mag-purchase ko katong electric. Tawag ato mosquito killer. Electric ay mosquito popper.
Itong July.
Ay di ito mosquito popper dito.
Ay, ito naman natin. Ang lang sa mo.
Nagpara mato 300
Oh,
limit top.
nalipong ako.
Dapat i-search
Sige, nalipong ko.
ano yung last page?
Sige, ko masugal.
It's not 125 Alberta Schoolhouse.
Ron? O yun nga ako.
Hapon lang. Luncheon meat pizza. Pangit ilang pizza kaya nag-design naman si Franklita. Nag-design na dito.
Dito na siya sa Alberto?
Dili sa town. Kung pizzahan ko dito.
Mamidi?
Oo, mamidi dati. Dito siya work.
Oh?
Nawa siya.
No. Why? Ano na ako ng
Family problem and fun. Ano tawag sa'yo? Busy. Busy sa plastic. Kuan tawag, so ano? Employees problem, dili co-workers problem. Di ba ang mamidi, dati di ba original mamidi? Nag-away-away man naman ang mga tagiya. Nag-change ang pangalan. District area District 24, Area 24. Pero nagya pa ng mamidi, pero magkalaban na sila. Nagyapon dito, pero naghawa na si Zay. Mamidi gyapon, pero iba na ang tagiya. Okay, class. Okay, let's proceed now. Let's have this one for the next example. So, ready na siguro? Are you still copying? Ay, wala na po. So, let's have another example. So, we have the given 8k cubed. You try this one first before I will reveal the answer. Sige daw, class. You try it by yourself. 8k cubed plus 14k squared minus 28k plus 32 by 2k. Now you are given 5 minutes for this. Ay, class, kulang ng given. That's 32k. Can we look at, can we double check? 32k po ang last. 8k cubed plus 14k squared minus 28k plus 32k. Okay, meron bang nagsagot dyan or ako lang ang nagsagot dito? Okay. Ready na ba? Please show your solutions if you have the answer now. Okay, wala pa rin po. So sige, ako na lang muna magsagot. So in this case, we are going to divide 8 divided by 2. So ilang 2 po meron sa 8? That is 4 of course. Then the variable is k and k. So copy lamang po. Then we have 3 and invisible 1. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. Then 14 divided by 2, that is 7. Our k is, our variable or our base is k. Then 2 minus invisible 1, that is 1. Or pwede nang burahin ang 1 kasi nga invisible siya. Next, 28 divided by 2, that is 14. Kaso lang, negative po dito, positive naman dito. Magkaiba sila ng sign, so therefore, negative din ilalagay natin. K invisible 1, K invisible 1. 1 minus 1, magiging 0 na siya. Pag 0, hindi na po kailangang isulat. Plus 2K, 32 divided by 2, that is 16, right? So, 16, then K, tapos K dyan, magiging 1, invisible 1, 0, 0. So, hindi na po isulat yung K. Or, pwede pa natin simplify, 4K squared. Kasi pwede pa pong i-add ang 14 at saka 16. Tama? Plus 7K. Okay, 14 plus 16. Kaso lang, negative si 14. Meron pang utang na 14, kaso lang binayaran mo ito ng 16. So, ilan yung sobra mo? 2 pesos. So, therefore, sobra siya, that is positive. So, this is now the answer. Please copy the answer now. Sampo lang online. Ang isa dito akong pangalan, ang isa akong presentation, ang isa akong tablet. So, ito na dyan. Ito
Ay,
ang
tatlo?
pinuod.
Tatlo mo ka?
Oo. Ito na dyan ang pinuod.
Wala nito ay. Kayo.
Namay ko dito foam,
Asa?
dishwashing foam. Mas gwapo to siya.
Asa na daw ka?
Ay lang kayo i-full basa. Basta i-wet lang siya. Okay, tapos na po. Tapos na. Tara, mga tulog ta. Basta joke. So, you try this one. Okay naman po. So, we have 16 m5 plus 10 m cubed minus 24 m divided by 2m. Sige po, i-try niyo po. Kayo naman po mag-try. Please, everyone participate so that I will know if there will be a repeating of the example na tayo. Participate po lahat. Konti lang tayo. 7 lang talaga tayo. So, sana makasagot ang iba.
Nawala man tubig ano?
Sa po ng ganita. Oo. Nasa ladies. At yung sabon. Ang bonus nga hand wash. Ayos mo ng sabon, di malapot. Tapos wet. Malapot na wet pa. Okay, may sagot na. Hey! At last, merong nagsagot. Si Carl. So we have, may nag-participate sa aking lesson. So we have Carl. That is 8m raised to the power of 4 plus 5m squared minus 12. So others, please. Still waiting for the others to post their answers. Then. Si Carl lang talaga may sagot. Please participate. Pearl, 8m raised to the power of 4 plus 5m squared minus 12. Ay, sabi ni Ma'am Lee, matalino daw talaga si Carl. Sana all matalino. So Pearl is 8m4, 5m squared minus 12. Okay, let's reveal. Wala na ba? Wala na bang daragdag? Angel, the same answer. Let's check this one. We have 16 divided by 2, that is 8, of course. M squared, m raised to the power of 1. So magiging 5 minus 1, magiging 4. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. M cubed and m raised to the power of 1. 3 minus 1, that is squared. Then 24 divided by 2, that is 12. M1, magiging 0 na siya. So hindi na po siya ilalagyan ng m. So very good. Tama po kayong tatlo. Angel, Pearl, and Carl, thank you for participating. Tama po. Okay. Now, what if ganito? Same given ha. Anong mangyayari kapag walang m dyan? Paano mo i-divide sa 24 kay 2m na wala man siyang m? Anong mangyayari dyan? So kapag ganyan po ang mangyayari, divide muna natin. 16 divided by 2, that is 8m raised to the power of 4 plus 5m squared. Okay, dito na tayo. 24 at saka 2m. Wala mang m dito sa 24. Paano natin i-divide? Ganito yung mangyayari. Isulat nyo lang, minus 24 over 2m. And that is now the answer. Nakuha? Easy. Or, what if ayaw nyo ng ganito? Merong ibang sagot dyan. Okay, may ibang sagot. That is 18m raised to the power of 4 plus 5m squared. Or, i-divide nyo siya. 24 divided by 2, that is minus 12. Tama? Then, m raised to the power of negative 1. Kasi nga po, wala pong m sa taas, so m negative 1 po. So, which do you think is a good answer? Is it the first, or ano sa palagay nyo ang mas maganda? Is it the first or the second one? So, either of the two is correct, pero if I were you, itong sagot ko, itong first. Kasi po, ito yung pinaka-proper. Although proper man ito, pero hindi siya applicable kapag polynomial ang pinag-uusapan. Since we are talking about polynomial, bawal po ang negative na exponent. So therefore, ito yung gagamitin natin, the first one. Okay? Next. Dito naman tayo sa mas mahirap na kung saan hindi nyo na iisipin yung ayaw nyo nang mag-aral. Dahil sa example na ibibigay ko. Can we look at that example? So napaka-burden siya sa tingin sa ating mga eyes. Para siyang sore eyes. So tingnan yung example natin. So we now go to polynomial by a polynomial with more than one term. So we have x minus 3. I-divide daw natin si x minus 3 by x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. So, you focus on what will I write. Kasi po, basta, magugulat na lang kayo sa gagawin natin dito kung paano ipag-solve. So, we have x cubed. Dito po, 3 minus, di ba may invisible 1 dyan? Then may invisible 1 din dito. Adong maliit ang aking sulat. Lakyan ko konti ha. So have x minus 3 divided by x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. Mhm. Divide natin. Ito siya may invisible 1. Ito din may invisible 1. Tama? So, pwede ko na siyang burahin kasi invisible nga siya. X cubed, x. So, therefore, ima-minus natin. Magiging x squared na siya. Paano ulit? Itong 3, i-minus kay invisible 1. Naging squared na siya. Next, x squared times x cubed. 'Di ba? Pag mag-multiply tayo ng exponent, i-add natin yung exponents. Pero pag mag-divide tayo, i-minus natin ang exponents. Ganun lang po 'yon. So, x squared times negative 3 is negative x ay negative 3x squared. Pag nag-multiply ng number at saka variable, wala naman silang parehong number dyan, wala din silang parehong variable dyan, so copy na lang po. Then, isa-subtract natin. That is 0. Then we have negative 3x squared. Paano po naging negative 3x squared? Ganito po. Negative, negative, magiging positive na yan siya. So, magiging positive 3 na ito. Then, meron kang utang na 6. Ibayaran mo ng 3. So, 3 na lang yung kulang mo. And kulang is negative. So, negative 3x squared. Next, bring down 11x. Hala ka dyan. Di na sila nakakasunod. Next, negative 3 divided by invisible 1. So, that is negative 3. Then, x squared, x raised to 1. Isa-subtract natin yung x squared kay invisible 1, magiging x na lang siya. Then, i-multiply natin. So, negative 3 times 1, negative 3. X times x, x squared. Then, negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. Then, x times walang x, copy lang si x. Then, we are going to subtract. That is 0. 11 minus 9, that is 2x. Then, bring down negative 6. Lala, ang haba ng solution. So, hindi na siya magkasya sa aking whiteboard. Kindly look at this one sa ating white screen na lang po. Next. Tingnan nyo sa white screen, dito na tayo sa 2x. Pointer. Ito na po. Ito na yung 2x na isulat po kanina. So, 11 minus 9, this one, 11 minus 9, magiging 2x na siya. Tapos, bring down 6. Negative 6. So, 2x divided by x, that is 2. Then, 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times 3, that is 6. Ito na po yun siya. I-multiply ito, papunta dyan. Ito po yung sagot. Next. I-subtract natin, that will become 0. Okay, alam kong hindi nyo nakuha. Pero ganyan talaga ang life. Minsan hindi nyo makuha ang gusto nyo, minsan makuha nyo. Kaya if I were you, mag-ask na kayo ng tanong or ng questions para masagot natin habang meron pa tayong oras. Any questions? No, para matapos na? None? Wala para matapos na? Example pa po, sabi ni Carl. So let's have another example. Please copy first the solution. You may copy what is written on the whiteboard. Ay, itong kuan na lang. Ang kopyahin nyo na lang itong nasa PowerPoint presentation. Okay, pakisulat po ng over dito at saka minus dyan. Na-delete lang po yung minus at saka yung over. Okay, so please copy the solution on the presentation. Then we will have another example. Request by Carl. Okay, type done if you're done so that I could proceed with the next example. Okay, our next example is this. So ito po, i-divide natin si x plus 2 divided by x squared minus 3x minus 10. Then, ito siya is x divided by x squared. X divided by x squared. Paano gani? Isasubtract lang yung invisible 1, magiging nabaliktad. X squared divided by x. Then, isasubtract lang yung exponent na 2 at saka 1. Saan po galing tong x squared? Ito po. Divided by x. Yan po. Okay? So, nakuha na. X squared divided by x, magiging x raised to 1 na siya. 2 minus 1, invisible 1. So, yan na yung ilalagay dito sa taas. X raised to 1. Pwede na pong x na lang. Kasi invisible man siya. Okay, next. Multiply naman tayo. Itong x, ito po yun. Yan po. Times x plus 2. Ito po yun. Okay? Ano pong gagawin natin dyan? I-multiply natin sila. So we have x times x, x squared. Diba pag mag-multiply, i-add ang exponent. May invisible 1, invisible 1. Magiging x squared na siya. X plus 2, wala pong parehong variable or number. So kopyahin lamang po sila. 2x plus 2x. 2, ito po yung 2, ito po yung x. Una lagi si number. So ito na po yung sagot dito. X squared plus 2x. Bura na naman. Next, ima-minus naman natin sila. X squared minus x squared, 0. Negative 3x minus 2x. Okay, negative 3x minus 2x. Okay, ito yung nangyari. Meron kang utang na 3, tapos meron ka pang utang na 2. Ilan ang utang mo? 5. And utang is negative. So, negative 5x. Sulat mo dyan. Minus 5x. Bring down minus 10. Okay, divide ka na naman. Itong negative 5x, i-divide mo kay x. Yan po. So, 1 man yan siya, 1. 1 minus 1 magiging 0. Anong natira? Negative 5. So, minus 5 dyan sa taas. Next, multiply ka na naman. Negative 5 times x plus 2. So, negative 5 times x, walang magkaparehong number and variable, kopyahin lang, negative 5x. Negative 5 times 2, that is negative 10. Okay, yan yung isusulat mo dito, negative 5x minus 10. Okay, bura na naman. Tapos, i-minus mo naman sila. Okay, negative 5x minus minus 5x. Minus minus magiging positive na sila. So, kung magiging positive na sila, meron kang pinambayad na 5, meron kang utang na 5. Anong matitira? 0. Next, minus minus, magiging positive na ito. Meron kang utang na Gs, binayaran mo ng Gs, magiging 0. So that is now the answer, x minus 5. Okay, copy. Sana nakuha nyo. Kay ako, litong-litong-lito na. Class, don't worry. This lesson is not part of the grade 7 mathematics. It is part of your grade 8. I just introduced this one for you to be able to have a background when you reach in grade 8. Para pagdating ng grade 8, Sabihin nyo lang sa teacher, hala, naturo man yan sa amin. Alam ko yan. Nakalimutan ko lang. O, ganun yung reason, ha? Alam nyo na ang gagawin nyo pag grade 8. Alam ko man yan. Nakalimutan ko lang. Ganun lang, class. Okay, type done if you're done. What is yan ni Corba? Pinaka-careful siya. Wala ko pa sa bata. Tatlo ka sections. Puro magod lang ko. Eh basta, kabulbi ka basta man.
Itagagay mo lang mo sa iyo ba? Ilan ka? Ikaw ka pa. Malalas ka. Tapos kung ano sila kung wala hindi pwede pasok para sa relation, pinipigyan. Ha? Ha? Yeah. Sila mong Yabo, wala mga ulit sa pasok, lang ko lang. Hindi, bagsak, lang ko.
Until na makapasa sila. Okay, tapos na sila. Tapos gid. Tapos gid tayo. So, ari na. Dito tayo. Okay, yung ginawa natin kanina, yung part A, di ba? Part B tayo ngayon. Part A tayo muna. Try nyo to sagutan. Mas madali yung part A kasi. Kasi yung sasagutan natin, kung sagutan natin yung part B, baka mamaya, bigla na lang nawala ang internet, di na kayo magsagot. X, 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 X. 24x raised to the power of 5 minus 8x cubed minus 16x squared divided by 4x squared. Okay? Sagutan nyo po. Ito yung part A kanina. So, time starts now. 3 minutes. Kaya niyo yan, class. Alam ko, kaya niyo yan. Sa 7 na naiwan, hindi pala. Sa 6 na naiwan ngayon na online, alam kong kaya niyo yan.
Hindi klase nila ka?
Oo, naglasa na siya. Lagay niya yan.
Hindi, right?
Commercial class.
Ano lang pa mga intended?
Siguro, maliho ka na sila pagkuhan na.
Hindi naman sa class. Pero,
Alisin ka.
hindi ka tumulong. Hindi ka tumulong sila. Sila?
Okay, may sagot na ba? Wala pa rin? So, still waiting for your answers. Thus, we will end early class ha. Hindi tayo mag-quiz ngayon kasi nga po, konti lang kayo. So parang kuan siya, kung magpa-quiz ako, Kailang may score, kawawa naman yung iba. Well, anyway, lahat ng present ngayon, meron man silang additional points sa akin. Kasi nga, pumasok na. So, we have Carl, 6x. Let me see. Carl is 6x cubed minus 6x minus 4x. So, not sure daw siya kung 2x ba or 4x. Nalilito siya sa pag-add siguro or pag-divide. 6x cubed minus 2x minus 4x. From Pearl, so let us wait for the others. Angel is 6x cubed minus 2x minus 4x. So let's see. Gani. Ah, si Kanto. Ay, na-dengue. Dengue. Kaya pala nag-ingon siya nga gilagnat siya itong niagi, no? Well, anyway, pagaling ka, Kanto, kung nakikinig ka man. Ay, wala ka pala dyan, no? So we have 24 divided by 4, that is 6. Then minus natin yung 5 at saka 2, that is 3. 8 divided by 4, that is 2. Kaso lang negative positive, so negative dito. X cubed, 3 minus 2, that is x1. Or x na lang. 16 divided by 4, that is 4. Negative, positive, magkaiba, so negative din po. Next, x squared. 2 minus 2, x raised to 0. Kapag 0, wag na po isulat. So that is now the answer. Diyan lang kayo naglito class na talaga sa pag x 0. X raised to power of 0 pala. Kasi pag ganyan po ang case, tulad nung sa ika-third nyo na pinakalas nyo na answer, yung 4x, nilagyan nyo talaga siya ng x. Don't worry class, kapag ganyan po ang case, pag raised to 0 na talaga siya, hindi na talaga siya isulat. Okay? So this ends our lesson. So I hope you have learned something that is very important. So goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless.
Goodbye and thank
Thank you
you.
po, sir. Goodbye po, sir. Thank you po.